In this video, let me show you what to do in case when you unplug the charger from your HP laptop, the screen goes black and maybe sometimes the laptop itself shuts down. I'll show you two different solutions in case this is a software issue. So you're going to type down below on the search bar Device Manager. Open Device Manager. Find Battery or Batteries. Click the small triangle, small arrow here. Right click on Microsoft ACPI Compliant Control Method Battery. Select Uninstall Device. Uninstall. Okay, it disappeared. Now click this Scan for Hardware Changes and it will be reinstalled. It will come back. If it doesn't come back using this method, restart your computer, and once it's restarting, it will re-download this control method battery thing. And usually this can fix your issue. Another thing you can do is to select the adapter, right click on it, select Update Driver, browse My Computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers. Click on it. And if you have multiple here, don't worry. Click on the first one, select Next. Okay, it got installed. Press Close and see if it works. If it doesn't work, go again, same spot, but select the second option if you had one. If you're still having issues, if this didn't work, let's go to the second trick. Go over here in the search bar and type CMD. Right click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. If you cannot right click, you may have the option on the right side. Here we go. In my case, it appeared after a few seconds, but yeah, click Run as Administrator and press Yes. Now we need to type over here, power. Actually, let me type it completely so you see what you need to type and I will tell you. So this is what you need to type. Power CFG space line restore default scheme. So pause this video and type this. Don't forget to put the space over here. Once you're done, press enter, close, and see if by unplugging the computer, if it turns off or if your problem is solved. Last thing that I can suggest to you, let me plug it back here. If even after trying this nothing works, is to go click again the Windows logo, select Settings, select System, Power and Battery, where you see any energy saver, and turn this off. Okay, so both of these options should be turned off. And finally, if this didn't work, go into the search bar and type Power Plan. Select Edit Power Plan, that should appear. Select Restore Default Settings for this plan. Select Yes. If it still doesn't work, if you unplug it, it turns off, select Change Advanced Power Settings. Go down, select Processor Power Management. Click the small plus icon, Maximum Processor State. Here it's at 100%. Where you see on battery, instead of 100, go ahead and type 40, 50, okay, anything under 50 should be good. Press apply, press OK, and check and see if it's working now. If one of these tips worked, I want to know, so type a comment down below, subscribe, like, and if you have any other suggestion, something that I have forgot, again, type a comment. I'm sure it could be very helpful for somebody. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.